In 1985, Coca-Cola made a decision that stunned the world. They didn't just tweak their drink. They didn't release a new flavor alongside the old one. They replaced Coca-Cola entirely. And the backlash almost destroyed the company. For generations, Coca-Cola was more than soda. It was childhood memories, summer barbecues, corner stores, and family road trips. The red label felt familiar, comforting, constant. But the world was changing. Pepsi was gaining ground, especially with younger drinkers. The Pepsi Challenge taste tests suggested people preferred a sweeter flavor. And slowly, Coke's dominance began to slip. Inside the company, executives panicked. In secret labs, Coke developed a new formula. Sweeter, softer, smoother. Taste testers liked it. Executives loved the results. So they made the call. The original formula would disappear, and new Coke would take its place. They believed people cared only about taste. They believed the brand was unshakable. They were wrong. The reaction was immediate and emotional. People didn't just say they disliked new Coke. They said Coca-Cola had betrayed them. Phone lines at Coca-Cola headquarters were overwhelmed. Thousands of calls every single day. Some were angry, some confused, some were genuinely heartbroken. People started hoarding old cans in their basements. Families bought up cases and hid them away for birthdays and holidays. There were protests, letter-writing campaigns, and talk show debates. Coca-Cola had accidentally proven something powerful. People were not just drinking a product, they were drinking identity. Just 79 days after new Coke hit the shelves, Coca-Cola reversed course. They brought back the original formula, now called Coca-Cola Classic. And the moment it returned, something incredible happened. People didn't just buy Coke, they celebrated it. They felt relief, joy, and reconnection. The company that nearly destroyed its legacy had now, ironically, strengthened it. Some still believe new Coke was an intentional publicity stunt. Coke has denied this for decades. Maybe it was a mistake. Maybe it was strategy. Maybe it was a little of both. But one lesson is crystal clear. People don't just buy what something is. They buy what it means to them. And when you take that meaning away, people will fight to get it back. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this mini documentary and want more stories like it, consider subscribing. This is AI Mini Docs, and we'll see you in the next one.